Perfect. We are now here ready with one of the most iconic desserts, Crepe Suzette. Crepe Suzette, it's one of our most popular desserts, and certainly one of the reasons for it is that it adds a lot to the theatrical, to the drama in the evening. I will now start by adding a veil of sugar at the bottom of this pan. Sugar will caramelize. I will add a little bit of butter, and then orange peel and orange juice. We'll obtain this beautiful caramel flavor with orange peel, and in it I will add our pancakes, our crepes. The dish gets the most theatrical part at the end, when it's flambéed first with Grand Marnier, liqueur flavor with the orange peel and cognac. I'm very lucky I have this wonderful pan and even more wonderful trolley. The sugar will soon start to become translucent and then to move into caramel. Here we are, the magic is now happening. Skill in this dish is to make sure that we can keep the caramel as golden, as shiny as possible without over burning it. Orange peel, and orange juice. So here we have the pancake at the bottom of the pan. I glazed both pancakes on both sides, making sure that we have caramel sauce all over them. I will now very carefully pour a few drops of Grand Marnier and flambé. We're now burning off all the alcohol and enriching the sauce with beautiful orange flavors. The sauce will be now reduced a tiny bit. We have this wonderful caramel, and to make it even more luxurious, even more special, we will practice a second flambage with cognac. It will take just a moment now for the caramel to reach the perfect consistency and the second flambage to take place. Now finish with the cognac. And here we have the Crepe Suzette, the way we do it at the Ritz, garnished with vanilla ice cream.